questions, right? Just okay. So come to the last exercise now. It says we have some values with us. For example, the value of a is given to you 5 plus 2 root 6, and the value of b is given to you 1 by a. You have to find the value of a square plus b square, right? So how will you find a square plus b square is equals to, first of all, put the value of a. The value of a is 5 plus 2 root 6. This is the value of a square, right? Plus, now what is supposed to be b square? B square is supposed to be 1 by a. That means, first of all, see children, let us define the value of b. B is equals to 1 by a, that means 1 by 5 plus 2 root 6. And now we all know that whenever you have an irrational denominator, what do you do then? You always try to make it rational. Okay, so multiply with 5 minus 2 root 6 divided with 5 minus 2 root 6. So this becomes 5 minus 2 root 6 divided by a plus b, a minus b. So this becomes a square minus b square. So answer is 5 minus 2 root 6. Okay. So children, b has a value of 5 minus 2 root 6. So first of all, you will find the value of b. After finding the value of b, now you put it in this equation, a square plus b square. So a square is 5 plus 2 root 6 whole square. B square is 5 minus 2 root 6 whole square. So how can I write it now? A plus b whole square becomes a square plus b square. I'm not solving. And why am I not solving? I'll tell you in a while. Plus 2ab. So 2ab is 2, 10, 20 root 6. Okay. Plus a square plus b square minus 2ab. 20 root 6 again. So I can cancel 20 root 6 and 20 root 6, and the remaining terms I can add. 5 square plus 5 square is how much? 5 square is 25. So 25 plus 25 is 50 plus 2 root 6 is how much? 4 into 6. See children, how am I finding 2 root 6? Look here. 2 root 6 square means 2 root 6 into 2 root 6. You will multiply the coefficients together. 2 into 2 is 4. Root 6 into root 6 is 6. And 4 into 6 is 24. This is how you will solve. Okay. So you get two 24s. One of the 24 from here. 2 root 6 square, you get a 24 plus 2 root 6 square.
Good evening, ma'am.
Yes, good evening, Amar. So when you add all of them, what do you get now? 98 is your answer. Okay. Children, just understand once again, what have I done is, the value of two variables was given to me. What are the variables? A and B. The value of A is 5 plus 2 root 6 and the value of B is 1 by A. So 1 by A, first of all, you define the value. Wait, Vidal, I'll give you time to note down. First, listen very carefully. So the value of B, first of all, you will try to find out. That's 1 by A, that's 1 by 5 plus 2 root 6. Now my denominator is irrational. I'll try to rationalize the denominator. Multiply and divide with 5 minus 2 root 6. Okay, and then you solve it. A square plus b square, substitute the values. So children, quickly complete this question.
Ma'am, we are doing sample question 1, right?
Yes, Amar.
Okay, ma'am. Can you scroll up? I cannot see the starting.
Afsa, you have submitted your assignment and your assignment is in the printed format. Why so?
Ma'am, which assignment?
The homework assignments was submitted on 4th September.
I never submitted any assignment on 4 September.
I was just checking the assignments and I got just 1 second. I'll recheck. Okay, we have one Hafsa in 8th standard also. Sorry. It was her assignment. I mistakenly thought it's yours. Children, once you're done, just tell me quickly so that I'll move ahead with the exercise. Amar, understand the question, do it on your own. I always say this. You don't have to copy line by line, word to word.
Done,
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, children, now next question says, you can skip question number 1. Come to question number 2. This is an important question. Simplify. So, children, I will explain you the method of this question and you do it on your own. Why? Because now we've already done rationalization questions and simplifications also. So what you will do here is, you have irrational denominators, right? So one by one, make the denominators rational. So first of all, you take 7 root 3 by root 10 plus root 3. Make the denominator rational. How will I do it? Multiply with root 10 minus root 3 divided by root 10 minus root 3. Okay. So what does it become? 7 root 3 multiplied with root 10 is how much? 7 root 30. Children, root number is multiplied with another root number and the coefficient is multiplied with a coefficient. Minus 7 root 3 into root 3 is 21. Divided by a plus b, a minus b is a square minus b square. So a square becomes 10, b square becomes 3. So answer is how much? 7 root 30 minus 21 divided by 7. Now children, you see one thing over here is, can I take 7 common from the numerator? 7 comes out as the common number, root 30 minus 3, right? Divided by 7. So 7 and 7 cancelled, right? 7 and 7 cancelled. So answer is root 30 minus 3. So the first term is simplified like this. Similarly, what you'll do is, you will simplify one by one all the terms. Okay, like you rationalize the first term, then rationalize the second term, then rationalize the third term. Once you have rationalized the denominators of all the 3 terms, then you subtract them together. Whatever the operation sign says, there is a subtraction, then you subtract them together. Okay? Try to do it on your own, children.
Ma'am, first should we simplify the 7 root 3, then 2 root 5, then 3 root 2, right? Then,
Yeah, one by one, simplify all the 3 fractions.
okay, ma'am.
When you're done, just raise your hands, okay? And just respond that you're done.
Ma'am, I tried doing the try to solve the question. Can you please say me what should we do after simplification?
After simplification. Okay, so did you get the rationalized form for all three?
No, ma'am. Actually, I just tried the answer. I did not get the correct answer. There's some this like
What did
there
you
is
try? Tell me whatever you have tried.
for
See,
7 root 3.
first I have only done, right?
Yes, ma'am. Then I simplified 2 root 5
Yes,
multiplied.
divided by its root 6 plus root 5, right?
Yeah,
Tell me how will you rationalize?
root 6 minus root 5.
You will multiply and divide with root 6 minus root 5?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So what do you get?
Then
Ma'am, I
I
got the answer.
then I multiplied by 2 into root 6, so 12 root.
I told you one thing, that only the root number will be multiplied with the root number, and
Okay, ma'am.
coefficient multiplied with the coefficient. So root 5 is multiplied with root 6. 2 remains as it is. So 2 root 5 into root 6 is how much? 2 into root 30. Okay? And
Yes,
2
ma'am.
root
2.
5 into root 5 is how much? 2 root 25. And 25 is basically 5 only. So 10.
Yes.
See, root 5 into root 5 is basically 5. And 2 into 5 is 10. So you will get 2 root 30 minus 10 divided by a plus b. A minus b is a square minus.
Yes, square.
So answer is 2 root 30 minus 10.
Mm, yes, ma'am. 2 root 30 minus 10.
You got this?
Yeah. No, no, no. I did one mistake. So
No problem. Like this only you solve the third part also. Is there anybody who completed the entire question?
okay, ma'am.
Tell me, children, has anybody done the entire question? Children, one more minute, then I'll start discussing. Okay, so quickly do it.
Ma'am, I got the answer.
Okay. Explain us now. Explain me the third one. 3 root 2 divided by root 15 plus 3 root 2.
So I multiplied it.
Speak a little loudly.
Ma'am, for 3 root 2 divided by
I don't
root
hear you.
3 root 2 divided by root 15 plus 3 root 2. I
Yes.
multiplied it by root 15 minus 3 root 2
Okay.
divided by root 15 minus 3 root 2. Then
Okay.
I first did the denominator, uh, which became 15 minus 18, which is equal to
Okay.
minus
15 minus
3.
8. How? Because when you square 3 root 2 children, so 3 into 3 is 9 and root 2 into root 2 is 2 and 9 into 2 is 18. That's why we get 15 minus 18. What do we get for numerator?
Numerator, it becomes the minus 3. It cancels the top, like it cancels the numerator. It becomes minus root 2 into bracket root 15 minus 3 root 2,
Why does
which
this become minus root 2?
uh, ma'am, the negative sign from the bottom goes up.
Okay, but see, we'll do it step by step, right, Abdullah? I can't directly. Now, I don't even have a negative sign yet. The negative sign is after this step. So do it step by step. For this step, for 15 minus 18, the numerator will be 3 root 30 minus 18. Okay. So now you can do one thing. This becomes 3 comes out to be common. 30 minus 6 divided by 15 minus 18 is minus 3.
Minus
3 and
3.
3 cancel. So answer is minus root 30 and plus 60. Okay. So now children, we will just combine the first part, second part and the third part. So first part is root 30 minus 3. Then second part is 2 root 30 minus 10. And the next part is minus root 30 plus 6. And between all the three numbers, there was a negative sign. Now open the brackets. So root 30 minus 3 minus 2 root 30 plus 10 plus root 30 minus 6. Okay, right children? Now root 30 plus root 30 is 2 root 30. Right? This one and this one, when you add, you get 2 root 30. And you see now there is a plus 2 root 30 and a minus 2 root 30 as well. Then there is minus 3 plus 10 and minus 6. Okay? So this
Yes, ma'am.
becomes, this part and this part is cancelled.
We can
Minus,
cancel it. Yes.
minus 3 and minus 6 is minus 9 plus 10.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
answer is plus 1.
Plus one.
Right children?
Yes, ma'am.
Did
Yes,
everyone
ma'am.
understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good children. Now the next one. If you want to take a screenshot, you can for the last part. So you'll just match your answers for all the three parts and combine them. Take a screenshot quickly, whoever wants.
Ma'am, could you explain it again?
Yes, sure, Hafsa. Which part? Tell me. Did you understand how am I rationalizing the terms?
No.
No. Okay. See, the question was 7 root 3 divided by root 10 plus root 3 minus root 2 root 5 and then there was one more term over here. So Hafsa, what I will do is I am just rationalizing the first term, second term, and third term independently, first of all. How am I rationalizing is you take the denominator and multiply with it and divide with it. For example, 7 root 3 divided by root 10 plus root 3. You multiply with root 10, root 3, only the sign will be opposite. If there is a plus sign, see, you see there is a plus sign, so you will write negative sign. And if there was a negative sign, you will write a positive sign. Similarly, write root 10 minus root 3. Now you multiply 7 root 3 with root 10, then multiply with root 3. Okay, and the below one, see, in rationalization, we all know now that the denominator becomes an identity a square minus b square. So root 10 square is 10, root 3 square is 3. So denominator becomes 7 and numerator becomes how much? 7 root 3 into root 10 is how much? 7 root 30, because 3 into 10 is 30, minus 7 root 3 into root 3 is 21, because root 3 into root 3 is 3 and 3 into 7 is 21. Okay, so like this you will rationalize all the three denominators one by one, then you combine them. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so you just do it like this.
Ma'am,
Now,
can you show the steps last time?
this step, this one.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Yes. So now children, see, this was an important question now. This can even come for like 5 marker or 4 marker question. Why? Because it's lengthy as well as important. It covers a lot of concepts. It covers identity, then it covers rationalization, then it covers simplification. So now children, you will try to do question number. All of these are important, but right now we will do, let's do third and fourth one. Okay, so first you'll do the third one. Do the third one. How will you do? I'll explain you. Listen very carefully. Children, just focus. It's not very tough. Just listen carefully. You have again the same thing. You have two numbers that are to be simplified. This is the first term and this is the second term. Okay. And both of them have an irrational denominator. So you will rationalize it. So Hafsa, you tell me that with what will I multiply the first term? 4, 4 divided by 3 root 3 minus 2 root 2 is the first term. So can you tell me with what number will I multiply this?
You multiply it with under root
Yes.
2.
No,
No,
not
wait,
under.
no,
See, look at
with,
this term. Look at the denominator. Just write the denominator only.
yes,
And what is
3
the sign on the denominator? Minus. So what sign will I
yes,
write here? The opposite sign
plus.
of minus is plus. Exactly. And now you solve this equation, multiply this thing with this thing, this thing with this thing. For denominator, use identity. Similarly, children, you will multiply the first part, the second part, then you simplify the entire thing. Once you have simplified, whatever answer you will get, then you will substitute the values. Do not substitute the values in the starting. First you simplify, then you will substitute the values. Okay? Do question number 3 quickly and just respond when you're done.
And for the fourth question,
Yes, Amar.
a equals to 3 plus root 5 by 2. So we should put this value instead of a square and also like 1 by a square, right?
Yes, but first tell me, have you done the third one? I did not tell you to do the fourth one right now.
Oh,
Have you
okay, ma'am.
completed the third one?
No, ma'am, I thought we should do fourth question. Okay, I will do third question.
Yes, children. Done?
Ma'am, I'm still doing.
Finding it difficult?
No, ma'am.
What about others?
No, ma'am.
Children, let's do one thing. Let's discuss in the class itself, okay? You all can tell me one by one, whatever you have done. So, can anybody tell me how will you rationalize the first one?
By multiplying it with
Yes, 1 second. By multiplying with?
t root 3 plus 2 root.
Okay, so 4 by 3 root 3 minus 2 root 2. You will multiply with 3 root 3 plus 2 root 2 divided by 3 root 3 plus 2 root 2. What answer do we get, children?
Ma'am, I got 12 root 3 plus 8 root 2. As a numerator.
As the numerator, let me check. See,
Yes, ma'am. I finished.
okay, 1 second, Abdullah. First of all,
Ma'am, is it possible to do cross multiplication?
no, why is it possible to do cross? No, Amma, not at all. Cross multiplication is for the numbers that are on the other side of the equal to sign. They're on the same side of equal to sign. 4 into 3 is 12 root 3 plus 8 root 2. Okay, divided by a plus b, a minus b. So a square is what? 9. See, 3 root 3 square. Children, how will we do? 3 root 3 into 3 root 3, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So 3 into 3 is 9 and root 3 into root 3 is 3 only. So 9 into 3 is 27. So you get 27 minus 2 root 2 square,
Yes.
children. Again, we will do the same way. 2 root 2 into 2 root 2. So that becomes 2 into 2 is 4. Root 2 into root 2 is 2 only. 4 into 2 is 8. So 27 minus 8 you will do. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Did you get the same thing, Umema?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so children, 12 root 3 plus 8 root 2 divided by 27 minus 8 gives you 19.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so that is the solution for the first half part. Next is 3 divided by 3 root 3 plus 2 root. So let's solve this also. Three root 3 plus 2 root 2. Yes, Abdullah, you were saying something. Now tell us.
Ma'am, I got the answer.
Yes, tell me, how did you get the answer? Tell me for the second part now.
Second one will be multiplied by 3 root 2 minus 2 root 2.
3 root 3 it is.
3 root 3 minus 2 root 2 on both
Yes.
sides.
Divided by
Then
3 root 3 minus 2 root 2 again. You get 3 into 3 is 9 root 3 minus 6
denominator
root
becomes
2
27 minus 8.
divided by, again, see now 3 root 3 square now we already know 27. 2 root 2 square I already know 8. So numerator is same now, children. 9 root 3 minus 6 root 2 divided by 19. Okay.
19.
Now, children, what was the actual question? The actual question was you add both of the answers. So just add both the answers. Okay, just add this one and this one. What do you get? 12 root 3
And then what should we do with the 1.414? Like this, it root 2 equals to 1.44414, right?
I told you first you will simplify, right?
Yeah.
So first simplify. So now you get 12 root 3 plus 8 root 2 divided by 90 plus 9 root 3 minus 6 root 2. The LCM will be 19 only, so I'm writing them together only. Okay, so first of all, you can add or subtract only when the root number is same. So you can add 12 root 3 and 9 root 3. Okay.
Ma'am, it's 3
Yes.
root 3 minus 2 root 2.
Where, Umema?
No, I'm saying the answer.
Okay, the answer. Let's check. We are doing it step by step, right? So 12 root 3 plus 9 root 3, first of all, we will do. So 12 plus 9, children, you will do. So that comes out to be 21 root 3. And 8 root 2 minus 6 root 2 is plus 2 divided by 19. We have to subtract, right? Remember, we don't have to subtract, you have to add, so you get 21.
Yes, ma'am.
You got the same thing?
No, ma'am. For the second, like 2 root 2, I got the same, but 21 root 3. I got 3 root 3 because I subtract.
So you have to add, not subtract. Let me check again. Need to add, right? Need to add. children, see, now just put the values of root 3 and root 7. So root 3 has a value of 1.732. Okay, so just multiply 21 into 1.732. Abdullah, you solved it, right? Did you get this part as same?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then you will multiply, children, 21 with 1.732 plus 2 with 1.414 divided by 19. Okay, now you can solve this part and you will get your answer. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
so this is the method. Children, just remember it well. How you are doing is, first of all, take the individual numbers and rationalize them. Then you solve what is remaining. You can solve that part on your own now. If you want to take a screenshot quickly, then I have to move to the next question. Take a screenshot.
Ma'am, I got the answer minus 3.27.
Answer can't be minus. Answer will be plus. There is no minus sign in the equation, right?
Oh, yeah.
Taken, children. Shall I move to the next question now?
Yes, ma'am.
So now, children, the next question is basically it's the same one as we did previously. The value of a is given to you 3 plus root 5 divided by 2. First of all, you find a square. So how will you find a square? Just square this number. Then you find 1 by a square. So first of all, you find 1 by a. 1 by a. Everyone listen carefully. Amar, Vidal, focus on the board. 1 by a is 2 by 3 plus root 5. Right? That's the value of 1 by a.
Yes,
See,
ma'am.
children, a is 3 plus root 5 by 2. So 1 by a is 2 by 3 plus root 5. And you will square this also. So just square this. And now square a, square 1 by a. Then whatever answer you get, just add them. Simple. Try the fourth question as well. Then we'll discuss. Is anybody finding difficulty? I know it's a little lengthy, but I hope it's not very difficult concept.
Yes, ma'am.
Is there anyone who's not able to understand at all?
Ma'am,
Okay. Tell me, Hafsa, what you don't understand.
Like, I understand the rationalizing part in the beginning, but then after that, the rest of the
The rest of the part is solving, Hafsa. There's nothing very difficult. You solve it step by step, right? You do this step. First of all, you find a square. Okay, the value of a is 3 plus root 5 by 2. So first of all, find a square and tell me. Okay, find a square and 1 by a square and tell me the answers. Okay, Hafsa?
Ma'am, I completed. I got the answer.
Yes, Abdullah, you got the answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what about others?
No, ma'am. The last part.
Okay, let's wait for others, then we'll discuss. Abdullah, if you've got the answer, you can try the fifth one.
Yes, ma'am. I completed the fifth one.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, children. So let's discuss this answer now. Does somebody wants to tell me the solution? Bidel, do you want me to tell the solution? You did not say anything in the class today. Yes, Bidel.
Yes, ma'am.
You want to tell me the solution?
Yes, ma'am. Yeah.
Okay. So first of all, what is the value of A? A is 3 plus root 5
By 2.
divided by 2. So what is the value of 1 by A?
1 by 2 by 3 plus root 5.
So 2 by 3 plus root 5. You reciprocal, right? 1
The
by A
whole
means
square.
reciprocal of A. So what is A square now? What is A square? A square will be 3 plus root 5. Children, I'm audible, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
3
yeah.
plus root 5 by 2
Yes,
whole square. So children, you can use the identity A plus B whole square. So A square plus B square plus 2AB. 2 into 3 is 6. 6 into root 5 is 6 root 5. Hafsa, are you understanding?
Yeah.
2 into 2 is 4. So now you get 9 plus 5. You get 14 plus 6 root 5 by 4. Okay. Now 1 by A square you will do. So that becomes 2 by 3 plus root 5 square. Okay. So that becomes 2 into 2 is 4. And just reciprocal it, right? You just have to reciprocal simply. So that becomes 14 plus 6 root 5.
Okay.
right? If a square is this, then 1 by a square will be this part. So you have to find the value of a square plus 1 by a square. So children, that becomes 14 plus 6 root 5 divided by 4 plus 4 plus 14 plus 6 root 5. Did you get this, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Dale, did you get this?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, children, you will take the LCM. So 4, 14 and 6. I'll tell you one thing, just simply multiply, okay? Don't take the headache of finding the LCM and anything, just simply multiply here, okay? Now, you will see, when you have 4 over here and 4 over here also, so you are basically multiplying the numerator with the other part. So 14 plus 6 root 5 into 14 plus 6 root 5 basically becomes 14 plus 6 root 5 whole square plus this becomes 4 square, right?